So Donald Trump could be getting ready to set the stage for the biggest shift we've ever seen in crypto, guys. And in this video, we are going to break down exactly what's happening. You could call this a crypto cabal, but it's a cabal that is going to lead to some massive price action for your top assets. We're talking about Donald Trump. We're talking about BlackRock. We're talking about JP Morgan Chase, the big banks. And watching the moves they are making will make us rich in crypto. It is literally that simple. We are looking and tracking the portfolio of Donald Trump. This is continuing to be one of the things we can do in crypto as retail investors that keeps us ahead of the game. And I'm going to give you guys a lot to think about. We will address some of the things like Trump tariffs that have been confirmed. Short-term volatility has been seen here in the crypto markets. We'll take a look at the market at large. Short-term volatility has been seen after Trump tariffs have started, at least starting to be announced. But there's also one top crypto founder saying right now that February is about to be insane for crypto. Donald Trump is about to flip the switch, and you'll understand what I'm talking about toward the end of this video. So make sure you guys stick around until the end. Go ahead right now, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button. Half the people who watch this and watch all of these videos don't subscribe. Guys, I'm here every day for you guys, grinding. It's Saturday. It doesn't matter. I'm putting in a full day's work for you guys because that is what it takes to stay ahead of the game. So go ahead and subscribe down below. I appreciate that greatly. And let's dive in and talk about what's going on in crypto right now. Bitcoin, XRP, and Dogecoin, along with the rest of the market, took a little bit of a dip yesterday as Trump tariffs were confirmed. So the price of Bitcoin actually dove down to 101.6 on Friday after Trump and the administration confirmed that tariffs on China, Mexico, and Canada are imminent here. And Bitcoin right now at the time of this recording, sitting a little bit above 102. We are down a little bit here in the overall market, still sitting at 3.5 trillion. We are down 2.54% right now. We do have some gainers, but most of the market down slightly right now. XRP sitting flat at $3. During the press conference, White House Press Secretary Caroline Leavitt said that the president will soon implement 25% tariffs on Mexico and Canada, while China will face 10% tariffs. The taxes on imported goods will take effect when the tariffs are fully unveiled today. Now, analysts have said that tariffs could put pressure on Bitcoin's price in an indirect way, contributing to the U.S. dollar's strength over the short term. The Federal Reserve is meanwhile monitoring how potential shifts in immigration and trade policy could impact its inflation outlook. During this most recent Fed meeting, officials expressed concern that bringing inflation to its 2% target could be challenging under the new president, given potential policy shifts. While tariffs could therefore impact the timing of rate cuts, which Bitcoin has so far thrived on, Bitwise senior investment strategist told Decrypt that the flow of capital within markets may face an immediate impact as well. Investors may be worried that tariffs could drain liquidity going to alternative investments like crypto. Prior to plummeting on Friday, Bitcoin's price had recoupled losses seen earlier this week as China's DeepSeek rattled tech markets, but we never really took that as anything crazy. We said that was a short-term sell-off. This was a big opportunity. And I think this is very similar, honestly. I mean, the tariffs, they're going to cause a little bit of, turbulence, I would say, in the overall markets, but I don't think this is going to wreck the markets completely. Bitcoin's still comfortably over 102. Ethereum is really the one we're watching, and I'm going to tell you why, because Donald Trump and company are doing something with ETH right now. And I think, yes, while these tariffs could cause a little bit of turbulence short term, February and March, if Donald Trump starts to announce some of the things that are coming down the pike for crypto, could produce a massive move and shift in the cryptocurrency market. Now, we are continuing to watch what World Liberty Financial is holding, what they're buying. Right now, this portfolio, World Liberty Financial, is down pretty significantly. It is down $55 million right now. You guys can see their ETH holdings are down 10 plus million. Their Bitcoin holdings are down $1 million. Then they got some stable coins here. Their Tron investment is up 316,000. This is a favor. really, more or less, right? Because Justin's son donated a ton to the Trump campaign. He's heavily invested in World Liberty Financial. So is this kind of a quid pro quo relationship? Is that why Tron's in here? Could be. Chainlink is an interesting add, obviously, to the portfolio. It's down, though. And so is Aave, Athena, Movement. They just most recently added Movement to their portfolio. And then they do have some Ondo Finance in here as well. Let's talk about the Ondo Finance bit along with the Ethereum bit. All right. I want to start with Ethereum because I want to focus on Ethereum and Ondo. I think they're going to be adding more Ondo Finance here. I think Ondo is bound to get listed on Binance. And I think Donald Trump is getting ready to talk about, at some point in the near distant future, tokenization. We know that the BITUNIX fund for BlackRock is built on what? Ethereum. We know that Ondo is built on what? Ethereum. We know that Ethereum has been the top asset in World Liberty Financial for a very, very long time. And if we go over and find Ondo, it's ranked number 32 right now. Again, built on top of Ethereum, okay? And its all-time high is not that far away, sitting here just above $2. This chart continues to look very, very bullish. I know they have an unlock coming, but they've got a huge conference coming. I think Ondo Finance is severely undervalued given all the dots that are connected. Who backs Ondo? BlackRock and JP Morgan. Who's in bed with BlackRock and JP Morgan? And it's Donald Trump. Okay. Now, BlackRock, they just bought 17,261 Ethereum worth $56.65 million. Okay. That was in the middle of the night. This was released by Whale Insider. So what's going on? What's happening here? Well, Ethereum is being manipulated and held down, in my opinion. And I think it's going to have a major run. I'm continuing to stack my ETH. Cardano founder Charles Hoskinson says February is going to be a crazy month. You'll see. Hashtag ADA. Now, ADA's not in this portfolio yet, but it is a US-based crypto. This is another narrative we've been following very, very closely, right? So take a look at your top assets that big investors, institutional investors could come into. You've got Bitcoin and ETH, of course, at the top. You've got XRP, Solana. Cardano's the one in the top 10 that has not gotten any love yet. That price is being held down, sitting here at 32 billion. I'm going to continue to hold my Cardano position. Chainlink is in Trump's portfolio. AVAX is another one I'm watching very closely. I like it. I think it's undervalued. Same thing with SWI, Hedera. These are going to be the darlings, I think. Now, if we keep on scrolling, the next one, Aave, is in that portfolio, and then Ondo right here. Then you got the official Trump coin, which is, by the way, down to $23. It's bleeding out pretty good here in the last month. This is the lowest it's been in the last month. I do think Trump coin will have another run. How big this thing can get, though, because it's already 4.64 billion, it's going to be tough. There will probably be another FOMO event when Trump coin starts going up and people will come back in and chase it, right? We see that all the time in crypto. So keep your eyes on that. I'm holding a little bit, and I bought in right around 25 bucks. I'm okay down a little bit on that position just because I think there'll be another pump. But I do have plans to take profits, in between that $75 to $100 range if we get up there, which I think we probably will at some point again. At least get back back to those all-time highs at some point. But I am watching closely what Charles Hoskinson is talking about. I think some things are going to be said and done with the altcoin market based on what Trump is going to do here. XRP certainly is set to benefit. It's looking phenomenal right now, dipping down below $3. There is going to be some big announcements, and whichever coins are selected by Trump and company are going to be pumped by BlackRock, pumped by JP Morgan. So pay close attention to what they're buying and the moves they're making. And we've got to guess right on a couple of these to do really well in this bull cycle. That is my thesis right now, and it is my main focus. It is why I hold a lot of these assets that are in this portfolio. It's why I continue to stack the undervalued assets that I think institutions are buying already and going to buy. We're trying to front run the big moves, right? So this is something to watch as we enter February, guys. I think we're going to see some fireworks this month. We're going to continue to watch everything. Make sure you are subscribed. Get ready, folks, because when the market starts to pump, you're going to want to know when to take profits too, right? When to get in and when to get out. This is XT Algo, my trading indicator. If you're serious about making money in crypto this bull cycle, you'll want to check this out. Little over $1 a day, and my software will help you maximize your crypto gains. I walk you through how to use it. Don't worry, it's an easy setup, super easy to set up all your alerts. I'll get you started today. There's a link that'll give you 21% off on all packages, link down below. It's a 30-day money-back guarantee as well, meaning you could try this product, this software, risk-free for 30 days and see how you like it. I appreciate you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next video.